I just thought I'd show, I've got a new website up. I'm using my old domain. I've just redirected it to new web space, and it loads up a lot faster than my old one, and I've got a lot more storage, etc. So this is what my homepage that I use now for it. One of the sub pages in it. Just thought I'd show. This is the main page. I've got a video background going, which is pretty cool. In fact, I'll let this play some of it actually while I talk. So all these links here up the top here, I'll add more and I'll change this around a bit. It's just how it is at the moment. So I've got a website each for 4 of us core Manhattans, which I'll show in a minute. And let's load some more videos. I'll show something. I'll load Guilded, and what else did I want to load? Nothing really. Okay, we'll load Guilded. This is my new anon server for Guilded. Guilded's like Discord, only better and free way many times over. If you haven't tried Guilded, I recommend Guilded instead of Discord. Discord's banning everyone left, right, and center, but whoop, the planets have destroyed, but they turn into a space tornado. So I'll let that play for a second. I'll log into my FTP and I'll show something. That video background, I've found just ways to rip videos. I just get videos, find ways to rip them and stuff. So let's go to my index file, which is my main page. Right. So that'll be my index file. We'll open that up in Dreamweaver, and here's the code. I don't even need to use Dreamweaver. I don't even use Dreamweaver. I've got extra code in here for some reason. I don't know why. So this here is where I put the video in. So watch this. Something cool you can do with Guilded is you can make a media channel. You can do this everywhere as well. So you can put 200 megabyte videos up, but there's ways to rip it, the MP4. Click on it in the media channel. It uses a web browser version, right? So you click here, download, right click, copy video address. We'll go back in, paste it in here, although it might put some code in there. Yes, it does. It puts extra code. Just get rid of it won't affect it anyway, but I'll just get rid of that code anyway. And we'll save the index file. We'll go back to that page. You can see there's a space tornado. But watch this. Go to my FTP. We'll just re-upload that file. Overwrite. And we'll just change the video to, watch this, refresh the page, and we'll get a new video. That's my guns video shooting anonymous masks, destroying them. But if you can get MP4s off site and rip them from Guilded, for example, they make good enough videos for the job, up to 200 megabytes. You don't want that much, but you know, do some kind of loop. You can put a bunch of flowers and stuff in the background, grasslands blowing the breeze, all kinds of shit. You can upload them to Guilded. There's many other ways too, but you can I recommend, at least for the time being, upload them to Guilded in a media channel, public media channel, and just rip the link just like I just did. Well, let's go. Look, let's just change it back. Look how quick it is to change it back. In fact, where was I might need to I'm gonna have to grab the other video again. Alright, we'll go back to Guilded, grab my old video. Look, I just change it back. Right click, copy video address, change it into here, remove the extra, whoops, what did I just do? Not sure what I just did there, but remove the extra code, save, close, upload to FTP, refresh the page, and we're done. We go back to the other video. Well, it's not updated yet. There it goes, updated. It was just in the middle of updating the web page. There we go. And so I'm going to do pages with video backgrounds. It's the main page. You know? So basically we've got different Mr. Red, Mr. Green websites. I'm going to have sub-websites for some of my core Manhattans and whoever else. We've got, this is my Mr. Purple. I've only done this in the past day or two, so I've got a lot more to add. But let's go to alternative mode actually. So we'll can have my Flash games or recent Flash games, my Unreal Engine games, books, articles, art. In fact, my religion of Terranism. Where's my Terranism religion? Book of Terranism. Tell them my Terranism religion is on the main page actually. Well, let's go back actually. Okay, and Terranism Religion, my religion I made. It's got like read the audio and page. I highly recommend reading this page and the sub pages within. There's a lot of information in here. It is a religion I made. Terranism, the one world religion. This is our God, and our God's name is freedom of speech. You will laugh your ass off at this page and sub pages, but it's also very serious. But we've got a whole bunch of free money. Let's go to free money. Got mobile website I haven't made yet. Oh no, I rickrolled myself. Anyone's going to click that link, they get rickrolled. I put rickroll links here all over the place. But anyway, this is the webpage. I'll just show. This is a video of an Unreal Engine solar system I made, where I started using destruction physics to a solar system in an interesting way. You'll just watch in a few seconds and you'll see how they destroy, they collapse, and they start spinning around in a giant space tornado. Started with an accidental bug that I did, and then I turned it into a deliberate bug to do some cool physics stuff that's not supposed to happen. There we go, they're destroying. But I could put any kind of video backgrounds to the web page. It's a lot better than having plain color or white, plain white or whatever. And the best thing is, I'm not using my own website quota. I've got pretty much unlimited anyway, technically. But I'm not using my own website's bandwidth by have the videos loading from Gilded, who don't care how much I use. So you can put video backgrounds always. That's what I got. That's what I did there. I spent quite a while trying to figure out how to get that to work. It was a few tricks involved, but I got it working. We'll have the mobile website up eventually when I get around to it. Home pages, web links, ASCII art is the only page that I've really done yet. Well, I've got to do all that kind of stuff. But that's the website as it is. And here's all my stuff on putting my games and stuff and downloads and all that on there. So terranonymous.com. I'll put the link. I'll put the video up and put a link in the description of the video or on Facebook or whatever. But here's some of my video series and stuff like that, my playlist and important single videos, some books, articles and pages, and some of my art. We've got animated GIFs, for example. You can download all these, and I can I've made these in template. Most of them are in templates. I've got a lot more than that in my other sections. The GIFs, I've got to add a lot more. So I've got to add a lot more pages and shit too. But right. That's how it's going. I've got to put links and shit, more links and shit, but you get the point. Got a website's up and running, and you want to download my games and stuff like that, you can go here, terranonymous.com. As you can see here, terranonymous.com. I'll put the link in description or whatever.